It's been about a year since I posted my last car, so I thought it was about time I gave you all an update. Burton Trading Co. was a lifelong dream of mine, a dream that I've nurtured since I was a small boy, cutting ads out of just cars and pasting them on my wall. I always wanted a cool shop full of unique and interesting cars that I could sell to unique and interesting people. And it was after the birth of our first son that I finally threw caution to the wind and sold out of a business that I'd been in for a long time to get after it. Now I can safely say that Burton Trading met and exceeded my expectations. The cars were cool and the people even cooler. And I'm so grateful for the experience and to all of you who did business with me, some of whom will remain lifelong friends. Strangely though, it was in the pursuit and realization of the dream that a whole bunch of other dreams surfaced in my head that I didn't know I'd had. I wanted to live on a farm close to the sea where it's always green. I wanted to renovate a house with my own two hands. And craziest or stupidest of all, I wanted to write a historical fiction novel. Once those ideas had ingrained themselves in my head, that was it. There was no turning back. So a bit over a year ago, we sold our house in Brisbane. We bought a farm, renovated it, and then sold that too. And then we moved further south and we bought another farm. And now we're renovating that one. And every morning and every night, I write. So while this place will probably never be finished, I'm proud to say that my debut novel is finished and it will be ready for publication very soon. So for all of you who made Burton Trading Co. what it is today, from the customers to the enthusiasts to the random followers who just love cool cars, a big thank you. It's because of you guys that I'm able to head where I'm headed. From here on out, I'll be changing the page to one for my writing. That'll provide updates on the book as well as its release, cars of course, and random hobbies and adventures that I find along the way. I'd love you all to stay along for the journey, but if not, it's been real, and yeah, watch this space.